Hi guys, so today I'm going to read you this book. It's called Eddie and Dog by Alison Brown. So let's read together. Eddie dreamt of adventure. He imagined flying to far-off places and doing amazing things. Then, one day, someone appeared who was looking for adventure too. He walked up to Eddie. Eddie asked if he wanted to play. And he did. Together they hunted for crocodiles and sailed the seven seas. They built a secret fortress and explored a faraway jungle. But when they got home, Eddie's mom said the dog couldn't stay because they didn't have a garden. He would not be happy stuck inside all day. So he had to go. Eddie couldn't stop thinking about him. The dog must have thought about Eddie too, because the next day he came back. Eddie's mom couldn't believe it, but she said they had to find him a better home, one with a garden. Eddie didn't think there was anything wrong with his home. The dog must have thought the same, because 3 days later, to Eddie's delight, he came back. Eddie's mom took the dog to stay in the country. She said he would be happy there. Eddie didn't think so. Eddie was alone again. He wondered if the dog was missing him too. Then later that night, Eddie heard a noise. It was the dog. He had come back. The dog had a plan. It was a good plan. A garden on the roof. See? That's a beautiful garden on the roof. Eddie's mom loved it. She said the dog could live with them. He'll be happy now. Eddie was happy too. His friend was here to stay. And it was time for adventure. The end. I hope you like the story.